So we have our function and we're going to solve it. First we're going to get the points. We have already x is equal to, so to find the y we have to substitute the 2 in the x. So we do the operations and we get 7. To get the derivative we have to use the current formula we all searched. So limit of h approaching 0, we use our formula, so we have x plus h to the cube minus 1 minus x cubed minus 1, all this over h. So we continue, we expand it, so we get x to the cube plus 3x to the second power times h plus 3x to 3x times h to the second power plus h to the second power minus 1 minus x to the cube plus 1 over h. We get the limit of h approaching 0, so h times 3x to the second power times h plus 3x h to the second power plus h to the cube over h. We use common factor for this, so finally we have 3x to the square plus 3x to the 3x times h plus h. We substitute h with 0, so we have 3x to the square plus 3x times 0 plus 0, so equals 3x to the square. That's our result. So for m we have to substitute in the derivative our x, and for b we have the formula y equals mx minus b, so we substitute values also in there and we get minus 17, and our y is 12x minus 17.
In order to find the derivative of this function, we have to use the limit formula, which will be a limit of h going to 0, and this will be equal to 1 over 1 minus x plus h squared minus 1 over 1 minus x squared, and all of this over h. Then we had to find the common denominator to subtract the fractions, then eliminate the like terms and apply the Tortilla law. And the result will be limit of h going to 0 equal to minus x squared plus x plus h squared over h times 1 minus x plus h squared times 1 minus x squared. Then we have to expand x plus h squared in order to eliminate the like terms, and the result will be 2xh plus h squared over h times 1 minus x plus h squared times 1 minus x squared. Finally, we had to factorize h so we can eliminate this variable, and then we substitute the values. And once we substitute the values, our result was 2x over 1 minus x squared times 1 minus x squared, and it will be equal to 2x over 1 minus x squared, and all of this raised to the second power. So now that we have all the values, we substitute in the derivative the value of x, and this will give us the value of m, and then we have the formula y is equal to mx plus b. We substitute and we isolate b, and once we have b, we can complete the formula.